Well, hello there, YouTubers. Today's video is on how to clean your carpets. And this is my review of my Bissell, the big green carpet cleaning machine. Let's get to it. All right, so here we go. We got the old filler-upper. Go ahead and get you some nice hot water and get you some cleaner. And just pour a little bit in, cup or two. Perfect pour. Isn't that so satisfying? Look at that, boys. I could look at that all day. Okay, so I got her all filled up. I'm gonna put her right there in the bottom. See it says front? Put her in the front. Then you go ahead and take the top, put her right in there. And this is where the dirty water's gonna go. And then watch this, boys. Lock her right in. Okay, we're about ready to start cleaning. Now what I like about this is when you're putting it in a car, and it folds down. Nice and compact. And when you're ready to start cleaner, just go ahead and pull her up. Now here's your throttle. That's what you press when you want to clean. So what I do is I go back and forth with the throttle on, and then I stop, and then I just let the vacuum suck up all the dirt. Here we go. Turn her on, let's get to her. Right there, let her recline. And then here we go. Woohoo! Look at that. Woo! Look at that, boys. Wow, look at that. All right, boys, we're moving now. You want to know a way to a woman's heart? Go ahead and clean her carpets and see what happens. You boys ever heard of P. Diddy? Can't stop, won't stop? He was talking about cleaning carpets. And I just can't stop. I won't stop cleaning carpets. So you boys and girls out there need some help clean your carpets? Heck, I'll do it for you. I'll come clean them. Here's a little tip for you boys and girls. If you got some critters, you know, some pets, some cats and dogs, you're gonna be seeing some fur balls left behind. That's okay. Go ahead and just swoop right up and play you some basketball. Kobe! Would you just look at that? Boys, have you ever seen carpets so clean in your life? Oh my, I'm about to eat me a steak off these tonight. Now look, here's a tip. When you're done, turn on your ceiling fans. If it's a nice day, open up your windows, because you want these to get nice and dry before your lady comes home. But boy, when she sees these carpets, you're gonna be in for a big surprise, boys. A big surprise. Okay, so we got the container with the water in it that we cleaned, and here's the moment of truth. Let's see what happens, boys. Let's pour in there. Oh, look at that. Would you just look at that? What is that, boys? No! It's like a horror movie, boys. What is that? Okay, so that's how you clean your carpets, and this is my review of the Bissell Big Green Carpet Cleaning Machine. And be fair warned, you boys in the carpet cleaning businesses, I'm coming for you. Oh, I'm coming for you. This is all I need. This is all I need to be in the big leagues. This is all I need to go big time, boys. Just this green cleaning machine. So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.